Construction of the Amitabha Stupa began in July 2003 with a small team of workers, many of whom were semi-skilled but dedicated to bringing the Amitabha Stupa into the world. Diligently, they began building the foundation and base of the stupa, which symbolizes the 10 positive actions of body, speech, and mind. They also built the 3 steps that represent the gateway into Buddhist practice. Workdays began early and often extended into the twilight hours as the construction crew built forms, cut, bent, and tied rebar, and poured and finished the cement. The project seemed to have a life of its own. Every morning we made prayers wishing that the most auspicious circumstances worked through us. Nothing about this project was ordinary. Once the foundation was completed, it was time to build the stupa's throne and the 4 steps. Building the rounded dome, or bumpa, on the top of the stupa's throne was perhaps the most formidable task in the entire construction process. Toku Sanyang Rinpoche asked the crew to leave an opening in the front of the bumpa to serve as the access point for filling the upper chambers with offerings. This opening was later closed off to create a concave space to house the high relief of Buddha Amitabha. Because the opening would destabilize the form during the concrete pour, it had to be temporarily closed off and filled with a water and sand mixture. Another challenge was to create a form for the stupa's faceplate that would frame the image of the Buddha and connect tightly to the bumpa. It took more than a month to complete the clay model of the stupa's spire and to adorn it with powerful Vajraguru mantras in Sanskrit, Om Ahum Vajraguru Pema Siddhi Hum. In addition, 6 attempts were required to sculpt Amitabha Buddha in perfect proportion before the clay image was finally cast in bronze.